Hi there friends, this is Deepak and I welcome you all to another new session in Deepak's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful and yummy recipe, mouth-watering tomato rasam in just 10 minutes. Let's ignite your senses with a steaming bowl of this tomato rasam, fiery, fragrant and bursting with soulful, soothing South Indian goodness. This isn't just a quick fix, it's tradition bottled into lightning fast, flavor-packed recipe. This ultimate and easy tomato rasam recipe is too good and I will show you each and every process step by step. So without much wait, let's see how this beautiful recipe is done. The ingredients required to make this awesome rasam are: here I have taken some mustard seeds and nearly a half a teaspoon of jeera, and this is Jaggery powder, this is optional, and some black pepper, turmeric, salt and crushed garlic, and here I have taken a gooseberry sized tamarind, and this is the spiciness, the green chilies and the red chilies, some fresh curry leaves, some chopped coriander, Asafoetida or hing, oil nearly 2 tablespoons, tomatoes nearly 2 number. And now let's see how to do this. Here I've taken nearly 2 medium sized tomatoes which are desi, and these tomatoes are sour in taste and taste very good. So I have taken nearly 2 tomatoes. Let's keep this aside. So here I am going to take the mixie jar. In this we'll add the tomatoes. And here you go, we'll add the tamarind. We'll add the black pepper. We'll add the jeera. And we'll add these red chili and 2 green chilies. We'll add some salt. And we'll make a fine paste of it. You can now see here the masala paste for this rasam is now ready. Let's keep this aside. Here I've taken a pot. In this I'm going to add a little bit of an oil, nearly 2 tablespoons. And now look, the oil seems to be nice and hot. In this we'll add some mustard seeds. We'll add the red chili and the crushed garlic and the curry leaves. Saute it nicely. In this we'll add some hing, that's Asafoetida, a small piece of it. This gives a nice flavor to the rasam. Now you will get a nice smell. To this we'll add this prepared masala paste. Now give it a nice mix. Now you can see it's perfectly done. You can see it's nicely cooked. At this time we'll add a little bit of a water and adjust the consistency. Now let's add the remaining salt, turmeric, and this is a totally optional ingredient. This is a Jaggery powder which I am using. If you don't want sweetness, you can skip it. So it's a little bit of a necessary to add it. So I'm just add a little bit of Jaggery powder to this. Give it a nice mix. Allow this to boil for about 3 minutes. Now you can see the rasam is cooking perfectly. At this time we'll add some chopped coriander leaves. Let's switch off the flame. Give it a nice mix. Now you can see the instant rasam is now ready to taste. Now look, perfect. This rasam is perfect. Wow. And there you have it, your hot, zesty tomato rasam just in 10 minutes. Bubbling with bold flavors and ready to transform my meal into South Indian feast. Go on, let that spicy sour aroma tempt you to scoop up another ladle. If this recipe made you crave for more, hit like, share your rasam twists in the comments, and spread the love by sharing this fellow foodies. It came out just perfect, and this recipe is this easy to make. Hope you guys like this video. If so, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll be back with another such a recipe. Till then, Deepak Kshatriya signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskara.